Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. So friend, again I am here with another topic. So today I will share with you how to speak English without hesitation. So friend, when we speak English, so we feel hesitation. That's why we can't speak properly, right? So here I'll share with you something, some tips, not a tips, but yeah, something which I have already tried in my journey. So whatever I share with you in my video, I have already tried. So I shared my experience, right? So let's start the video without further delay. Friends, have you ever thought that why we feel hesitation while speaking? So I'll tell you my perspective. So I think we compare ourselves with others. When we watch some fluent speaker, then we start comparing ourselves with other. If someone is fluent, so at that moment we think, oh, he or she is very fluent than me. I'm very weak in English. Then we feel hesitation. And another could be making mistakes, right? So don't worry if if you don't speak fluent English, and uh, don't fear of making mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. So let's find the solution. So first, try to think in English. This is our first step. So what you have to do is you have to think in English. Uh, when we translate Hindi to English, exact point we hesitate, right? So stop translating and think directly in English, right? So if you are beginner, so maybe you are not habitual to think in English, but you can develop this habit easily. uh, to be honest, it will take 2-3 months. I mean, if you want to think directly in English, so it will take time, right? So maybe after 1 month, after 2 months, you will be able to think in English. But from today onwards, what you can do is you can at least try to think, right? So, but how? So whenever you do some work, and if you want something, then think in English instead of thinking in Hindi. So we don't want to think, but it runs in our mind, right? Every moment we think something. So you have to develop this habit. Then instead of thinking Hindi, you have to think in English. For example, if you want water, so instead of saying मुझे पानी चाहिए, say I need water. So whenever you do work, I mean whenever you want something, then think in English. You don't have to say to your family member, or you don't have to say to others, right? You have to say slowly to yourself in English. That's how you can develop this habit. So try this and please share result. And don't fear of making mistakes. I guess this is major reason behind it. We feel hesitation, right? So don't fear of making mistakes. And if you want to learn something, then you have to make mistake. Without making mistakes, nobody can learn anything, right? So mistakes are part of our learning journey. So if someone laugh at you and someone judge you by your mistakes, so let them laugh, let them judge. Do your work, don't focus on those people who laugh at you and who judge you, right? And I think nobody speaks English without making mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. So when we speak Hindi, I mean when we use our mother tongue and when we speak our mother tongue, so we also make mistakes. Though we are fluent in Hindi or in our mother tongue, still we make mistakes, right? So this is a part of learning, or it happens. You know, when we want to say something but we say another thing, right? So this is part of learning journey. Don't take seriously, but yes, if you find your mistakes, then correct your mistake. This is very important, right? And do speaking practice daily, at least 15 to 30 minutes. You don't have to give an hour and hour. Just give 15 to 30 minutes, but daily, right? So when we do something, some practice daily, on daily basis, so definitely our confidence automatically builds and hesitation reduce, right? So do practice every single day and speak clear and slow, so that other person can understand you what you want to say. You don't have to speak fast, right? So these are the things that I eagerly wanted to share with you. So if you follow these tips, then definitely you will reduce your hesitation. So thanks for watching. I will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.